Good day, welcome to today's call, today's live trading call. How are you doing today? Okay, we'll be going over our strategies for today and over the pairs. I placed some trades already on GBP, Euro GBP. I placed some trades on gold, and I placed some trades on GBP. Sorry, Euro AUD. I guess yes, Euro AUD. So we'll go over the GPUSD markup. Currently, the market is on an uptrend. Is on an uptrend, and we have more green bars than red bars. So I'm looking for only buy opportunities. Meanwhile, when I do this Fibonacci, this red box has not appeared. This red box has not appeared. So it went up, retraced, and I thought it would respect this 50 level, but it broke. Meanwhile, using the previous day high, highest point, the market, I thought the market would respect that point at 62, but it also broke high. It broke high. So I see that Euro UP trade is going amazingly well, and we have a news on Euro. I think I'll do my break even. Let me break even on this trade. I just broke even on the trade, and I will extend my take profit target. Although there's a zone here, but keep the winners running. Keep my winners running. So I'm on profit on the Euro GBP trade right now, and we have this light zone here, this light resistance zone, which I'm expecting to be broken very soon. Gold is about to enter on profit. I placed a sell. It gave me a negative $1, and it has reversed. I'm aiming down to this point. So let me put my properties, come on, and then axe line. I need to see this axe line so it can, okay, so I will know exactly where my bid and axe is. So EOGP is still pushing up good. And I think this zone will be broken. This zone will be broken. And we have a news on Euro today, which they used to justify a very massive push. Let me draw this line. This is the neckline. So if that neckline is broken and market closes above that neckline, that zone will disappear. That neckline is broken and market closes above that neckline, that zone will disappear. My aim for today is 3%, 10% of my capital, and I'm done trading. Let me do some adjustments and more break even. Wow, that candle just reversed totally. So we'll go over our strategy. We'll go over GBP check. The market is on an uptrend. Market is on an uptrend, massive uptrend, and I expect the market to give me a buy opportunity before I enter the market. This is what they call the Asian session. The Asian session comprises of the Sydney and the Tokyo, and it started from this candle where the market opened. So from this point up to this point to the Asian session. So if I calculate the pips, if I calculate the pips, the Asian session moved. It moved 32 pips, 32 pips, That's a good trade. If it was above 50 pips, I won't be taking any trade. So it hit our red box and broke our line, our EMA, and then gave us a sell signal here. So from that sell signal down to this support is 18 pips. But I won't be taking the trade because it is against the trend. The trend is my friend. I want to trade with the trend. And if I look closely here, you can see the trend is uptrend because you have more green boxes. Although there could be reversal of trend. It could be reversal of trend. Let me see. Is this a wedge? I see a wedge here. Okay, this is a wedge. And this is an ascending wedge. As you can see, the market ascending. And this is a resistance that I've held the market here and made it range for some while and it came back up and held the market there again and the market reversed. This is for GBP chair. And I am on Euro GBP. I'm on Euro GBP for a buy. So I think GBP chair will definitely go for a sell. They are colliding pairs. They mirror each other. They mirror each other. So why GBP this GBP chair will go sell? I'm setting to go sell. I'm still setting to go sell. And we have a news dropping on Euro by 11 today. We could use the news to justify the move and reverse the market. Okay. GPJPY, GPJPY, GPJPY. The market, I expected this market to to respect my 50 MA. I expected the market to respect my 50 MA. I expected the market to respect my 50 MA. And it just did that. If I go down to the 5 minutes, I think it just did that. But one thing for sure is that the market is on an uptrend. Let's check the trend first. GBP, JPY, the market is on an uptrend, and uh, China is on bank holiday. China is on bank holiday, serious bank holiday. So since China is on bank holiday and GBP, JPY is London session, and China is not open, their session is not open. I don't think that this trade is going to be a bad trade if I aim for a buy. I don't think it's going to be a bad trade if I aim for a buy. Although the indicator is giving me a sell signal, but I will not take that sell signal. I'll go for a buy because the market is on an uptrend. I will look for other reasons that will justify my investigation before I can take that trade. I placed a trade on Euro AUD. I think I'll close out all those trades. It has hit 10 pips of profit. So I'm just on the gold trade now. I'm on the gold trade. I'm on the gold trade. So and gold trade giving negative three fifty. So I say 10% of my capital. So that's going to be $3. So I just made account history. I just made let me see. a can't even see the record here properly. But I think I just made $1 of my profit of my capital, $1 of my capital though. So I'm thinking about going for FTMO. FTMO is this company that will give you people's money to trade for them. They will start up with a $1,000 account, and when you successfully grow that $1,000 account to 1,500 with their risk management and everything, they will then give you funded. They will fund you $10,000 of people's account, and then you have to trade with those people's account $10,000. If you grow it to 10,000 or 15,000, you split the $5,000 profit. You split the $5,000 profit, and if you grow it to 15, you can split the profit, and they'll give you extra 10,000 again. If you turn to 20,000, and then you split the profit, and then they'll give you extra again. They'll keep doing that until it gets to $1 million. GP card. GP card is buying seriously. So GP price has started going up. So GP card is buying. Uh, GP AUD is buying. GP JPY is still not sure. GP check is still respecting our uptrend line, and GP USD just created an engulfing candle above our yesterday's high. So is respecting it now. But I'm not taking the GP USD trade because the Asian session is is more than 50 pips wide. It's more than 50 pips wide. The Asian session, and based on the average daily range, I wouldn't be taking any trade on GP USD. So I'm more looking out on GP JPY because China is on bank holiday. I don't know why this trend just came in. I think it's a fake out. The fake out by the bank. Sorry, the market makers. It's a fake out by the market makers. So if this market closes above this 38, there is a full reversal. If it closes above this 38, then it has respected this 50 for the reversal I was expecting. And then we can place our trade because we're on our uptrend. We are uptrend. We are on an uptrend. And we aim for this point. This is the negative. The zero will be our TP1. The negative 23 will be our TP2. And then the negative 38 will be our TP3. Okay, everything is a little bit slow today. Everything is just slow. Let me see what's going on with crypto. Litecoin is buying. Bitcoin is buying. Bitcoin almost did $50,000 last night while we were sleeping. Ethereum is buying. No much movement in the market today. This morning, not today. Although during New York session, there could be a rapid move. Okay, this is Dashcoin. This is Dashcoin. Wow, and we have even zones. So if I calculate from here down to here, this is 47 pips. 47 pips, and that's on Dashcoin. Well, I'm not trading crypto with this account now. I'm not trading crypto with this account because I've not had enough leverage to do that. If I have up to a leverage of $300, $400, then yes, I start going in on crypto boys. So because my account is able to hold a drawdown. But now, if I just place a trade, it's going to be highly risky. So I'll stick to my London session pairs. I'm expecting Euro USD to go massively sell on the higher time frame. That's 1 hour because here we have a wedge. We have a wedge forming, an ascending wedge, and it's going to be so smooth and sweet when this market breaks this wedge, and there is a massive neckline here, neckline that's been holding this market. Yeah, I think that's the resistance point on this market. So if the market breaks these 2 points, we're going sell on a massive sell sprint, on a massive sell sprint. So that's what I'm looking out for. So this market has been ranging for some time here, ranging, came down, did some fake out, and then moved back up and been ranging. It has not broke this resistance on 1 hour. So I've been watching out on 15 minutes. I got a sell signal this morning on 15 minutes, but I didn't take the trade. I didn't take the trade because Euro has news by 11, and I'll stop trading the Euro pairs by 10:30. 10:30 Nigeria time. I'll stop trading Euro pairs. So when the news shows up, I'll be able to like handle the event. When the event pass by, we'll go back to trading. Come on, gold, push down. Gold is going the opposite direction. Although we have a resistance here on the 1 minute time frame. Well, on the 5 minutes, I think I'll just adjust this. I'll put it on the neckline, my TP. I'll put my TP on the neckline. So when the market reverses, to take us out smoothly. And that's where the on the 1 minute the previous support is. There's a resistance here. Hope that resistance holds it. So when I downtrend on gold, when the downtrend, and this push to the downside this morning was about how many pips? It was about 22 pips, and I got another signal for another push right here, and I had a drawdown of 10 to 11 pips, and then went my direction about 99 pips. So this indicator, it can make your trading very easy. It can make it very easy. You just have to know the basics of trading, not know the basics of trading. And this scalping methodology. You can also do some intraday trading, swing trading on this indicator. You can do some intraday scalp trading. A lot of people are talking about AED USD. AED USD. A lot of people are talking about AED, and I think AED USD will sell. I have it on my chart here. So I'll go over the basics again. I'll go over the basics. You just need to keep it simple. The green box is our support line, support zone. If you know what support is like the floor in your house. While the red box is the ceiling. Support is also known as demand, while the red box is also known as supply. So what happens during demand? When there is demand, there is more buying. When there is supply, there is more selling. So when the market hits this green box and reverses on an up, hit this green box and reverses and gives us an arrow, we enter for a buy. After we enter for a buy, we aim for what? 20 pips take profit, and we put in 40 pips stop loss. But you could use your Fibonacci. You could use your Fibonacci to spot out uh, points that will decrease your stop loss level. If you go deeper in strategies that are embedded in this indicator, you see that the Fibonacci itself, will help you select points that are of lower stop loss, because the 40 pip stop loss is not proper risk management. It's not proper risk management. So that's why I said you use Fibonacci and know the actual point to put your stop loss. For instance, now let me take this Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, and you can see as market has done down to 79. So since market has done down to 79, we're expecting a reversal. Whenever market passes 62, the golden ratio, we have a signal on GBP chef, Euro GBP and chef GBP, Euro JPY and chef JPY for a buy. And yes, I'll take that trade because we are on an uptrend, one, and secondly, JPY is on bank holiday, and we have only what 13 pips to the upside. Although we have 13 pips to the upside, I have a Fibonacci there. If I take my Fibonacci from the swing low to swing high, you see that market has respected what the 50 level, and this uh, indicator popped up. So I'll take a trade there. I'll take a trade with 0.01. I'll take a buy. Okay. I hope to take 3 buys there because I have, okay, I think 4 buys there because I have 4 take profit targets I'm going for. So this is my TP1, the 0 point, TP2 minus 23, TP3 minus 38, and TP4 minus 50. Let's see, check JPY. Wait, let me place in this trade first. Let me place in this trade. So the Fibonacci now has shown us the market retested and respected the 50 level, creating a reversal uh, candlestick anatomy, which is engulfing candle. You can see the engulfing candle here. So this bullish candle engulfed this red candle completely, engulfed 2 candle shelf. After it did that, we had a buy signal. So if I'm taking my buy trade, I'll take my TP1 at 0 level, my TP2 at minus 23, my TP3 at minus 38, and TP4 at minus 50. And then my stop loss, if I should place my stop loss from this my entry price, if I should place my stop loss should be below the the next pivot point, which is 61, 5 pips below it. So 62 is 22 pips. 22 plus 5 is 27. So I'll place it. My stop loss will be 27 pips. So which is 127.837. 127.837. Let me 127.837. Let me edit it. 127.837. Okay, I've adjusted that. That's where our stop loss will be. So the market is on an uptrend. We got a buy signal, and we did our Fibonacci. And on the Fibonacci, you can see it respected the 50 level. And secondly, this is yesterday's money zone. By money zone, we mean a period that market is highly liquid. When I started studying forex newly, they always told us that when do we trade the forex market and when don't we trade the forex market? Okay, we don't trade forex market on Mondays because it is confusion day. On Tuesday, we analyze the market. Wednesday, we place our trade. Thursday, continuation. Friday, withdrawal. But now I understood that during this money zone, this was yesterday's money zone, and money zone represents Nigerian time. Nigerian time. So it's moving now. I think I'll take another buy for my TP2 on Euro JPY. I'll adjust that to my TP2, and my TP2 is at this point. That's 25 feet. Well, this yeah, gold trade is really going the opposite direction. It's going the opposite direction massively. I wonder what might be causing this to spike. So I'm still on the Euro GPY trade, and why I'm on this trade is because the Bank of China is on holiday, and Euro seems to be on an uptrend. It's on an uptrend, and the Fibonacci point of 50 has been respected. So I've placed in my TP1, TP2, TP3, and also my stop loss level. So I guess I can let this trade run for the time being. This will be a little reversal before the continuation of the trend. Let me drop the signal. Let me drop the signal for my team so that they can take the trades as well as I am. Okay. Okay. So I've dropped the signal and gold is still pushing higher. Gold is pushing massively. And gold just took me out. Gold just took me out. Well, you lose some, you win some. Euro JPY. But why did I lose that trade? This was our neckline of the previous push to the downside. And this arrow popped out. The arrow popped out at the close of this candle to the upside. And meanwhile, this is a small and swap, a W. You justify that this market is going to push more up. So this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. After that, the market pushed up. As you can see, this is the uptrend line. The market respected and pushed up. So when it broke this neckline, when it broke this neckline and closed above, it closed broke and closed above the 50 MA. That was when this market was determined to move more up. That was when it was determined to move more up, and then you can see, although it's moving up, arrow has popped up. No arrow has popped up. So we'll be holding the Euro JPY trade. We're already holding the Euro JPY trade. And let's see how it goes. because why I entered the Euro JPY trade because on the Fibonacci market has respected the 50 level, and that 50 level is also yesterday's money zone highest point. So it respected it, broke our EMA, our 50 EMA, and then an up signal came and we placed the buy. We have a signal on Euro USD. Let's check it out. I'm expecting Euro USD to sell though. I'm expecting Euro USD to sell. And you can see this neckline, which are the holding market from pushing up further up. Market is about to break it. If it breaks it, then we have more push to the upside. So if that happens, that means I just have to do my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high, so I can know the next point or pivot point the market is going to move up to. This gold trade was meant to be New York session. You don't trade New York session during London session. Try and be disciplined. So Euro JPY. Euro JPY is moving our direction now for a buy. Moving our direction now for a buy. So if it does our TP1, we do some break even. We adjust our stop loss to break even for the three of them. Although I want to take one more buy signal on Euro JPY for the final TP, which is TP4, which is the 50 level, Fibonacci level. And this market must have exhausted itself with the Asian session. This is about 59.50. So the Asian session breakout is not a valid trade. But instead, we're using the Fibonacci level to trade this. And our normal bounce arrow, the basic bounce arrow go trade methodology to trade this. So our Euro USD, we got a buy signal and the resistance is here. If the market closes above this point, then this zone will be broken. Then we can place the trade. So we keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. In the next 15 minutes, let's say by 10 a.m., we could have a breakout or a reversal. So let's what's going on with the crypto pairs? They are all buying. Litecoin is buying, Ethereum is buying, and we're on an uptrend. On the crypto pairs, we are on an uptrend. That will be for our TP4. Well, so the Euro JPY trade is on and in. So I think this will be a wrap. This will be a wrap for today for today's call. Thank you everyone that got on this call. We got our trades in and they are running. So we then let them run for the day and we'll get back on by tomorrow. Get back on by tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time and God bless you. I wish you all a profitable trading day and profit. Like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and purchase this indicator. It's just a one-time payment of $200. Where you use the coupon code, you get it for a discount of $40. When you get the indicator in, make your trading easier, and then you'll be able to like make massive profit. Make massive profit. Definitely work. I see, and for sure, every product I give is for your own benefit. For your own benefit is for your own advantage to help you be financially free because that's my passion to impact it on people's life. So I look forward to seeing you on the call for tomorrow, and I wish you guys a wonderful day. Thank you, and God bless you.